Good evening, everyone. This is your Weather on the Fly Evening Edition for Saturday, December 2nd, 2023. Your current conditions and temperatures. Current dew points. Current relative humidity. Current wind speeds. Your severe potential for Sunday, December 3rd, 2023. No organized severe thunderstorms forecast. Your excessive rainfall outlook for Sunday, December 3rd, 2023. There is a slight risk of excessive rainfall for much of the northern Oregon coast ranges and Cascades. Your forecast temperatures for Sunday, December 3rd, 2023. Your future scan for Sunday, December 3rd, 2023. Your future scan for Monday, December 4th, 2023. Thanks for tuning into your Weather on the Fly Evening Edition. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for daily outlooks and for future severe and/or tropical weather updates.